5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello, hello, hello. Guten Tag and zdravstvuyte. The dock is in, and welcome back to the element showcase. Tonight we're going to be showcasing the element lithium. Now we've looked at lithium before with the batteries and everything. This right here is lithium. It's not really shiny at the moment. That's because it's been severely oxidized along with, see, a lot of its brethren. But I can get a little bit of its shine to hopefully come out. Here we go. Here's a good try. If you can kind of see it quickly before it fades away. See if we can see it on here. Now it's very fleeting, but it can have a shine. If you put this under mineral oil, then it stays that way. Or, well, you have to first have it cleaned before you do that, but yeah. You can kind of see the shine before it fades away, see? So yeah, it's kind of a dull, kind of gold-ish color. Now, we've used lithium before in the past. A little bit of recap, lithium has a very cool feature. One of its big chemical properties is that lithium, were you still going? Yeah, sorry. Its photoelectric spectrum, or, well, when its outer shell electrons are excited, the color it emits is a very beautiful magenta. Now what I have here is some copper foil with a lithium salt over it. This came from a lithium ion battery. That's usually found in computers, not the ultimate lithium batteries that you buy in like the store or something that I've used. This is ethanol. We've used it before in the boron. So I'm just going to pour a little bit over this, and you're not just going to see the magenta color, but first let me turn off my flashlight so that you guys can see this. I'll be right back. There we go. Now, you see that magenta color? That's the lithium. Now, you'll see little flecks of green every now and then. That's the copper. That's not the lithium. And we're also out here by the drum, and I'll show you why in a moment. But yeah, so that's the lithium. Those are the lithium ions that are flashing that magenta color. Boron gave off a green color as well, but not as distinct as the copper does. The copper, I believe this is in its plus, I can't remember, +2 oxidation state, will give off the color green, I think. So yeah, then that's that. Anyway, so we're also going to show, oh, wait. Oh, well, oh, there was a little bit of green there, but we're not doing copper, we're doing lithium. But oh my gosh, that is a great green color. Okay, it's kind of hard to see. Here, let me... Okay, there we go. Now back to the little magenta flame color. Hopefully you guys can see this clearly. I hope you can. Okay, there's a little bit of magenta still going. Anyway, so There we go. Oh, one moment, I'll be right back. Anyway, now we're gonna take a little piece of this lithium and we're just gonna show you what it does on this wood. And we still have the fire going here. I'll show you what we're gonna do with it in a moment. Well, embers going. But yeah, first let's see. One moment, let's turn the light out. I'm trying to get this little tip here because it has the least amount of mass, so hopefully we can get the reaction started off. There we go. So yeah, and that, if you can kind of see around it, is a beautiful little magenta flame. So that's lithium oxide. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Hopefully the color's coming through, because it looks extremely beautiful in real life. So yeah, that's the little bit of lithium we got down there. And would you look at that? Look at how beautiful that is. Hopefully you can see, hopefully it's coming in clearly, but yeah, that's lithium right there. Also, as we went over, lithium reacts with water, so lithium is the first alkali metal in the periodic table. Editing me put a little thing up to show where I'm talking about. Well, actually, you probably saw it at the beginning of the video when, during the intro to the element showcase, I always show you where the element is located on the periodic table. So, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, if you can still kind of see, that magenta flame is still there. Hopefully we can get it to be brighter so that we can see all of it. Because this camera doesn't exactly want to cooperate, and it's getting really blurry. I don't know why. Anyway, so, oh my gosh, look at that little streak that comes out. Oh my gosh, it is just so pretty. This is not an, I mean, it is a 4K camera, but it's on an iPhone, so I don't know how good it really is, but you just have to see it to see how beautiful it really is. The color is just so bold, and oh my gosh. It is really pretty, but we're not done. Now that we know what that does, and it's still going through the log, probably because it's burning what's in the log. So yeah, if you can kind of see, the lithium is now producing hydrogen gas still with this ethanol that we have, or methanol, excuse me, not ethanol. This is methanol. So yeah, there it is. It's basically reacting like it would with water, and if you can kind of see, its shiny surface here. Lithium is extremely soluble, so, or lithium salts are, so. Oh my gosh, I've never seen it that shiny. Usually it oxidizes almost instantly. So, yeah, it's really cool. Anyway, maybe we should add a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, because some of the lithium was forming a precipitate. Well, it's forming some kind of coating on it, but the coating is shiny. Interesting. But oh my gosh, it's actually kind of shiny. You can see that. That's still the lithium. That's not a rock. That's the lithium. I could show you what it does with muriatic acid, but it basically does the same thing, except for instead of making lithium, I don't know what this is, I think it's like lithium methyl, I don't know. I'll probably, I don't know, I'll get back to you on that one. But, so, yeah, and I'm running out of methanol, so. Oh my gosh. That's lithium. Is it beginning to oxidize again? There's still a little piece going in there, but... Interesting. But this one has a little bit of a shine on it still. See what happens if we just plop that back in there. It's generating hydrogen, as expected. So let's just toss this right here. Or no, actually, let's toss it right on here. Let's see what happens if we just, you know, well, sorry, it's not centering. There we go. That is really bright. Now, we're going to come back over to here with our little thing here, and we're going to, there we go. Now you can still see that it's, okay, before that thing completely melts. Sorry about that. We're just going to toss you in there. Don't worry. Alright, so it's, there we go. I was just supposed to say. So yeah, you can still see its magenta color coming through. Hopefully if you guys can see that. My hand is shaking for whatever reason. That is cool. Well, anyway. So, anyway, one moment. Oh wait, there's water. A little bit of water. Here on the sides of the container. If you guys can see that. Yeah, that's water. Much more vigorous. Yep. One of lithium and all alkali metals characteristic traits. So, and we're going to end off here. So, this is the doc saying goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Do svidaniya. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.
You're gonna be a part of the channel.